The arrival of aliens and City A's annihilation were history-making events and were the top stories for days. But eventually, the coverage died down. After that, no one mentioned the city that had disappeared. Metal Knight salvaged the spaceship. Soon thereafter, the Hero Association headquarters was reconstructed and became an impenetrable fortress of steel. The infrastructure was rebuilt with new roads leading out of HQ. This allowed heroes the ability to deploy quickly to every city.